Understanding rust converters, a quick and effective solution for rust prevention. The traditional way to stop rust is to remove it and refinish the metal, but what if there was a faster, simpler solution? Enter rust converters. Rust converter is a chemical treatment that transforms rust into a stable, protective surface. Unlike traditional rust removal, rust converters chemically react with rust to stabilize the surface and prevent further corrosion. Rust converters typically contain phosphoric or tannic acid. These acids react with rust, turning it into a non-reactive layer that can be painted over or left as is for protection. So how do rust converters help you? Well, here are some key benefits. It's a time-saving solution. Rust converters work much faster than traditional rust removal methods. Instead of hours of sanding and scraping, you can simply apply the converter to the rusty surface. It bonds with the rust and creates a protective layer. It's less labor-intensive. For large or complex items like automotive parts or outdoor furniture, rust converter is a simpler choice. With minimal preparation, you can treat rusted surfaces without the need for extensive rust removal. It's compatible with paints. Many rust converters also act as a primer. After application, you can easily paint over it with your favorite top coat like KBS Top Coater or KBS Black Top for added protection and a smooth finish. Rust converters prevent further corrosion. Rust converters stop rust in its tracks by converting it into a stable, non-reactive surface. This acts as a barrier to moisture, preventing further corrosion and extending the life of your metal. Rust converter is best for light rust. Rust converter is ideal for light to moderate rust. For severe rust, where the integrity of the metal is compromised, you may need to combine it with traditional rust removal methods. But like any product, rust converters have their limitations. It provides a short-term solution. While rust converter halts rust progression, it's not a permanent fix. It may need to be reapplied over time, especially for surfaces exposed to harsh conditions. Finish quality. Rust converter can leave a rough surface, which might affect the final appearance compared to methods like full rust removal and refinishing. Not effective on non-rusty areas. Rust converter only bonds with rust, so it won't work on clean, non-rusty areas or surfaces with mixed rust and non-rusted sections. Limited to ferrous metals. Rust converter works best on iron and steel. It's not effective on non-ferrous metals like aluminum, copper, or stainless steel. Now let's take a closer look at KBS Rust Converter, a reliable solution to stop and prevent rust. KBS Coatings Rust Converter is easy to use, quick drying, and compatible with most top coats. It transforms rusted surfaces into black, inert primed surfaces ready for painting. Begin by using a wire brush or sandpaper to remove as much loose, flaky rust as possible. Next, thoroughly clean the surface with KBS Klean, which won't leave residue which could hurt adhesion, like solvent-based cleaners can. Mix KBS Klean with warm water and apply with a dampened cloth or sponge to thoroughly clean the surface. Rinse with water and let dry completely. Detailed instructions for using KBS Klean can be found on the KBS website. To apply KBS Rust Converter, shake the cam for 1 minute, spray 8 to 12 inches from the surface in even strokes, and let it dry for 24 hours. After that, you can apply a second coat or top coat for extra protection. Detailed instructions for using KBS Rust Converter can be found on the KBS website. KBS Rust Converter is the perfect tool to stabilize rust and prevent further corrosion. It's an effective, quick, and cost-effective solution for rust problems. Make rust a thing of the past with KBS Rust Converter. Thanks for watching. KBS products are proudly made in the USA.